Hello everyone, welcome to Lekker Treats and thanks for stopping by. My name is Benedicta and in today's video we'll be making this oven baked fish with vegetables. For the ingredients I have broccoli, red and yellow bell pepper, 1 onion, some carrots, 2 rainbow trouts. I have some oil, thyme, paprika powder, black pepper powder, some salt, and some garlic powder. You can use any fish and vegetables of your choice for this recipe. As usual, all ingredients are listed in the description box below. We'll begin by making our seasoning for the fish, and for this we need some paprika powder, black pepper powder, some thyme, garlic powder, and salt. We'll mix it very well. Our fish has been cleaned and gutted. Next, we'll pour over our fish the seasoning we previously prepared. Rub it very well. Ensure every part of the fish is well coated with the seasoning. And guys, if you've not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly do so as I bring you amazing food related content. Add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil and rub the fish very well with this. We'll leave this to marinate as we work on our vegetables. Next, we'll be cutting our vegetables into different sizes depending on their cooking time. We'll cut the onions and paprika into bigger sizes as they cook faster. We'll then add some black pepper, paprika powder, thyme, garlic powder, salt, and oil to our vegetables and mix it very well. We pour the vegetables into our baking pan and spread them out so that they are evenly cooked. We'll be oiling our grilling rack for baking the fish. If you don't have a rack, you can also put the fish in the baking pan. However, you will not have crisp skin on the fish. We'll then bake this in a 200 degrees Celsius, 392 Fahrenheit preheated oven for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, we'll flip the fish over and then give the vegetables a good stir. This will then go back into the oven for another 20 minutes. And after 40 minutes total baking time, we have it. Another simple, easy, and lekker recipe. Our fish is juicy and we have some crunchy vegetables at the side. You can have this with spaghetti, potatoes, yam, or rice. Today, I'll be having mine with some rice. Thanks a lot for watching, and please subscribe and turn on your notification to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Like, share, and comment. Until I come your way again, it's bye.